Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well at your home. Okay, so children, yesterday I had given you a worksheet related to Indian and international number system. Fine, so maybe you all have done all the questions given in the worksheet, and we have done revision of Indian and international number system yesterday. So today I am going to give you the solution of the given worksheet so that it will be easy for you to check your answers whether you have done the questions correctly or not. Okay, just cross check your answers, and then if you have done any question wrong, then you can make them correct with the help of these given solutions. Fine, so let us start with the solution of question number 1. Question number 1 is insert commas in appropriate place according to Indian and international system. Now here we have given numbers and we have to put commas in between according to Indian and international number system. So first number is this. So firstly we have to put comma according to Indian number system. So according to Indian number system, as we have already discussed, there are 3 places in ones period and rest all other periods have 2 places. So firstly we have to put comma after 3 places, then we have to put comma after leaving 2 places. That is according to Indian number system. And if we talk about international number system, then firstly we will write the number, and as we have already discussed that putting commas according to international number system is very easy because there are 3 places in each period. So you just have to put commas after leaving 3 places. So after leaving 3 places, then again after leaving 3 places. Fine. Now let's come to B part. Again we will write the number first. Okay. And then we have to put comma according to Indian number system. So again we will leave 3 places and then we will put 1 comma. Then again we will leave 2 places and then put comma. Again 2 places and then we will put 1 comma. Remember one thing, only in Indian number system there are 3 places in ones period and rest all other periods have 2 places. Again and again I am repeating this thing. Now let's come to international number system. Firstly we will write the number. Okay. Now according to international number system, we just have to put comma after leaving. Yes, after leaving how many places? 3 places. Very good. Okay. So this is the way to put commas according to international number system. Now let's come to our C part. C part is, again we will write the number first. Okay. Now we have to put commas. So firstly we will put comma after leaving 3 places, then after leaving, yes, after leaving 2 places. Okay. Now let's come to international number system. 590308 Okay. So according to international number system, what we have to do? We just have to leave 3 places and we have to put comma. Fine. So that is how we will put commas according to Indian and international system. Fine. So that was about putting commas in between the numbers. Now let's come to the second question. Second question is fill in the blanks. We have done these kind of questions too in our last lecture. So let us start with the A part first. Children, 10 million. How do we write 10 million? In 1 million, 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. It means in 1 million there are how many zeros? 6. If in 1 million there are 6 zeros, then what about 10 million? In 10 million there will be 7 zeros. So we will write 10 million. Then it is 10 lakh. In lakh there are 5 zeros. So in 10 lakh there will be 6 zeros. Okay, there are 7 zeros and there are 6 zeros. So we can cut these 6 zeros with these 6 zeros. So we will left with this 10. So 10 million is equal to 10 lakh. Okay. Now if we talk about B part, there is 1 lakh. 1 lakh means 5 zeros. Then thousands. Thousands means how many zeros? 3. Okay. In 1 lakh there are 5 zeros and in thousands there are 3 zeros. So we can cut these 3 zeros with these 3 zeros. So we will left with this 100. So it means 1 lakh is equal to 100 thousands. Now let's come to the next part. 1 crore. 1 crore means in crore there are how many zeros? 7. Fine. Now there is 10 million. In 10 million how many zeros are there? In million there are 6 zeros. So in 10 million there will be 7 zeros. So we can cut these 7 zeros with these 7 zeros. So we will left with 1. So 1 crore is equal to 110 million, or we can say 1 crore is equal to 10 million. Fine. Now the next part is 100 million. In million, million means 10 lakh. 10 lakh means, see, million is equal to 10 lakh. 10 lakh means how many zeros? 6. But if we talk about 100 million, so it means in these 6 zeros we have to add these 2 more zeros. That means 8 zeros. Yes. So 100 million means 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now there is lakh. In lakh how many zeros are there? 5. Okay. So we will cut these 5 zeros with these 5. So we will left with this 1000. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to divide this term by this term. It means we will divide this 10 million by 10 lakh, 1 lakh by thousands, 1 crore by 10 million and 100 million by lakh. Then only we will get the answers. We just have to count the number of zeros and then we have to write, and then we can cut as many zeros we can cut, and then we will be left with the answer. Fine. So that is how we have to do question number 2. Now our next question, question number 3 is, write the numeral for the following number name. Now we have given the number names and we have to write down the numeral. So children, just look at this method to write the numeral with the given number name. First part is 9 million. Okay, so firstly there is 9, so I am writing 9 here. Now here it's million. In million, how many zeros are there? In million there are 6 zeros. So it means after 9 there will be 6 more digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then there is 350,000. It means after writing 350, there is 1000. 1000 means after 350 there will be 3 more digits. So we have to leave space for 3 digits and then we have to write 350. Then at the last there is 70. So I am writing 70 at the last, and the remaining space we have to fill with zeros. And how do we put commas? We put this is an international number system, so we put commas after leaving 3 places. So first comma will be here and then other comma will be here. So this is 9,350,070. Fine. Now let's come to B part. 5 crore. So firstly I am going to write 5. Now here it's crore. Crore means 7 zeros. It means after 5 there will be 7 more digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now there is 9 lakh. It means in lakh there are 5 zeros. So after 9 there will be 5 more digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it means I am going to write 9 here. Then 3,000. It means after 3 there will be 3 more digits. 1, 2, 3. So here I am going to write 3. Then 805. 805. How do we write 805? 805. And the remaining space we are going to fill with zeros. And it is an Indian number system. So firstly we will put comma after leaving 3 places. Then after leaving 2 places. Fine. Now C part. 30 crore. So firstly I am going to write 30. Then there is crore. Crore means 7 more digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now there is 79,000. So it means after 79 there must be 3 more digits. 1, 2, 3, and there I can write 79. Then at the last there is 6. So I am writing at the last 6. Now the remaining space we have to fill with, yes, zeros. Now we have to put commas according to Indian number system. So firstly I will put comma after leaving 3 places. Then after leaving 2 places. So this is 30 crore 79,006. Now let's come to D part. D part is 98 lakh. So firstly I am going to write 98. Then there is lakh. Lakh means 5 more digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then there is 5,000. So it means after 5 there should be 3 more digits. So I am going to leave space for 3 digits and then I will be writing 5. Then 315. How do we write 315? 3, 1, 5. And the remaining space we will fill with 0. And this is Indian number system. So we will put commas now. So after leaving 3 places, then after leaving 2 places. E part is 69 million. So firstly I am going to write 69 million means 6 more digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 503,000. It means after writing 503 there should be 3 more digits. 1, 2, 3, and then we have to write 503. And at the last there is 9. Okay, and the remaining space we will fill with zeros. Now it is according to international number system. So we after living three places. So this is 69,503,009. Okay, so this is the method to write the numeral for the given number name. Okay children, so these were the solutions of the given worksheets. You have to check your answers first, and if any questions is being done wrong, then you have to make them correct. Fine. And then tomorrow we are going to start with revision of estimating sum, estimating difference, estimating product. Fine. And then I'll be giving you one worksheet related to estimation also, and that we will be solving on next Monday. Fine. So children, you have to watch this video again and again if you are not getting the concepts clear. If it is clear, then it's fine, but if it is not getting clear, you have to watch the video again and again. If still there is any doubt, then you can send me message on WhatsApp, or you can call me if you feel difficulty to solve any question. Fine. And these solutions you can just check and verify your answers. That's all for today children. Thank you so much. God bless you all.